going to tell you how you can give test series. First, log into our exam prep tool app, then click All India Rank 1 test series. Afterward, choose your course. If you have taken GATE Computer Science test series, so choose here. We have launched our GATE DA also, so you can purchase that also. You can choose the subject. If you want to give topic wise test, so you can go to weekly test. Every week we are going to add 2 to 3 tests also, so you will get more than 150 plus test. We have also full length test and subject wise test. Here also you will get all full length test and subject wise test, and every week or every 2 week we will going to add 1 to 2 full length tests also. So more than 150 tests you are going to get, more than 10,000 questions you are going to get.